We have a new resident in this building. This is the BenQ monitor that I've been telling you guys I'm gonna start building. This is the BenQ 4K 1 millisecond Ultra HD HDR10 monitor. And I chose this one because I'm very familiar with the BenQ name. It's used all across MLG, Major League Gaming pros. Very reliable, and it's not very expensive. $449 was the total price for this, and it's going to serve me perfectly. As you can see, it's 28 inches, which is a pretty good size. It's not a wide panel. I didn't go get a wide one because most games are running by 16:9 aspect ratio. A wide panel is 21:9, so not all games would fit that. So you would have black bars on the side of your screen, so you really wouldn't utilize the whole screen anyway. But in the future, I will be getting a widescreen just as my second monitor, things like that. So this is the first piece of the gaming system, and I cannot wait to hook this up. I'm going to be using it mainly for my Xbox because my TV, you know, is great and everything. I do have the C7 from last year from LG, but I'm going to go and play some games here on the monitor because of the fast response time. I think this TV is like 21 to 24 milliseconds in game mode response time. This is 1 millisecond. So drastic change. Also gonna upgrade internet too, so that, you know, I can benefit even more. So let's crack this big box open and see what we get. So real quick, once again, this is the 4K HDR10 panel. 28 inches. Not too big, not too small, should be good. Gonna be used as my main monitor. Gonna use it for games, and of course I'm gonna use it for YouTube, to edit, to live chat, things like that. So this is the first addition to the whole gaming PC. The last addition to the gaming PC will be the PC itself. I'm not gonna go crazy with like a gaming chair and things like that. I'm not gonna be playing too many games on here. But I do want to go ahead and get a couple things for it. Get this out of the box. Might be better to lay it on the floor here, so we'll do that. There's a pretty good amount of weight to it, which makes me happy. There's the power cord. Looks like we have the base right here. Another piece that is rests on right here. Put that to the side. Of course, you have a manual. Comes with HDMI cord. Did not know that. That's good. Although I have 1,000. When you're an audiophile, you have a lot of HDMI cords. I know you guys probably have way too many HDMI cords. I have like 12, 13 different size HDMI 4K cords, because things come with it, or I don't like the length, or things like that. So let's carefully take this out of here. Just drop that there. All right. I'm super excited. Super excited. Go ahead and turn it around for you guys, and I'll go ahead and unwrap it. Oh, I'm so happy. So real quick while I'm doing this, got some tape at the bottom here. Real quick while I'm doing this, I do want to say I got this off Amazon, and Amazon on some of their products are doing monthly payments now. No interest, no credit check, things like that. So you're now able to buy something that's a little high in price and break it down into payments over time. And the way that they do it is you'll pay shipping, if there's any shipping costs, you'll pay the first payment for that month, and any taxes that it may have on it, they'll come out right then and there. They'll ship it to you. This was on Amazon Prime for 2 days. It was only $16 more to get it shipped to me in 1 day. So I got it yesterday, came here today. And every 30 days, they'll automatically take out the next payment. So I think that's awesome. Not a lot of it's on Amazon. You can't really find it. And the way that you know that it has a monthly option is when you have a buy now, add to cart, things like that. It'll say monthly payment if it has it. If it doesn't say that, then it doesn't have that option. So it's a new thing. I think I saw it like a couple weeks ago they had it. They're starting to do that now. So hopefully more products get into that, because that's a good way for people who really want something that can't, you know, dish out that whole amount at once. So this thing is nice. Very, very nice. So here it is right here. And when I get it on the stand, I'll bring it to you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see it. But super nice monitor. It's the back side of it. It's awesome. This is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this back so I can rest it on top like this. I'm gonna go ahead and start building it. So I'll bring you guys closer in just a second. It's a little dim in here, so I went ahead and turned on the flash so we could see the inputs here. So we're greeted with a headphones jack in the back here. Also with your HDMI here. There's two HDMIs. There's a 1 and then 2 for the input. And then I have to see what this is for. But I'm gonna go ahead and set this up for you guys, get it powered up, turned on. Down here at the bottom left, which is gonna be the bottom right when you're actually looking at the screen, there's some of your buttons here. I'm sure this controls the menu, volume, things like that. I believe these have 2 built-in speakers. So we'll be listening to that and see how that does. But let's go ahead and get this set up, and then we'll see what we got. Alright, so we have the monitor all hooked up, Xbox hooked up. I'm gonna go power it on for the first time. Greet it with some purple. Alright, so there we go. We have the Xbox right up, pops right up. It's right here in the HDMI. I believe under here are different settings to volume and different inputs and things like that. So I'll definitely play with this and tell you guys what I think about it, but we won't do it right now in this video. Just want to get a little setup going. You can change the audio, picture advanced, things like that. So we'll definitely go through here and play around with it and get it to look its best and things like that. But since we have the Xbox hooked up, let me turn down the ISO for you guys so you can see it. There we go. There we go. So that's what it looks like, guys. We'll go ahead and we'll fire up Fortnite, of course, just to get an idea what the speakers sound like, things like that. And now it does have a 9R receiver right here, so I'm wondering if I can hook up a remote to it, a universal remote to it or not. It didn't actually come with one, so I think there's some other cool things I can do with this that I'm not aware of. You see here, it looks really, really crisp, really, really good, and it's not too terribly small either. You know, coming from a 55-inch TV, playing Xbox on that for however long now, and then going to a 28, you would think it'd be a little bit weird. But when you're sitting up close to it, it kind of the same thing. You have less eye strain, less neck strain, looking across from one side of the TV to another. Everything is kind of right in your peripheral vision, which is excellent. So we'll let Fortnite fire up here. Alright, we got Fortnite loaded up here. Things are good to go, loading in. This is max volume. As you can hear, not very loud, but I mean, when you're using this, you're not really using it for the built-in speakers. We'll go ahead and jump into a random match here. Not claiming to be a god in Fortnite, so don't leave me hateful comments about my gun skill, because I already know I'm trash. But it's alright, we're gonna get into a match anyway. Show the world how terrible that I am. But I just want to see how it feels, how it plays, you know, just get a little first impressions on it. Make sure everything's good. It has a lot of picture settings that I'm really interested to play with. There's a lot of different settings in here that I'm not really sure what they do, so I'm gonna go back into the manual later and read about it, and depending on how well this video does, I might go back and share with you guys what I found on this video, or when I went back to go through it all. If you were interested in wondering about the settings, I can definitely make a second video about that. It feels really, really nice. Of course, my internet is terrible, so hello. So just to get this over with quickly, we're just gonna go ahead and land in a hostile area, so we'll see where that zone's gonna pop up. Let's see. If you haven't played Fortnite, I definitely recommend that you do. I used to not too much care for it, but I definitely like it now, so. Alright, we're gonna land right there in the middle of the circle. Maybe we'll hit Tomato Town first. For all my home theater people who don't really play video games, for those who are going for an all-around home theater, it's really good for you guys to go ahead and try to fill your home theater with as much things to do as possible. Because oftentimes when you build a home theater, you're not really building it for yourself. You're gonna have guests over, family, things like that, and maybe children down the line if you're married. Cousins, you know, younger people who like to come in and play, watch movies. They want to, you know, play games on the big screen too, and it's actually really, really cool. So it's really good to dabble in all sorts of media because home theater is not just audio, it's mainly audio. Music's obviously audio, but it's good to get into visual too, so thought this would be really cool to have. This is actually very, very responsive. This is actually crazy. This is actually really responsive. Coming from like a 21 millisecond time on my television to 1 millisecond is unreal. It's unreal. It's gonna be hard to go back. So maybe I won't play on this too much because I'll get spoiled by my response time, but let's go ahead and at least drink this. Everybody kind of took my stuff, so. On the camera, it's a little bit darker on the camera. I had to turn down the contrast on the camera itself because it was blowing out the whites too much where you couldn't read them. So it's not as dark. It actually looks really, really good right out of the box. Really, really good picture. Definitely up there with my TV. Not as far as blacks go, because it's HDR10, but it's not like an OLED panel or anything. It's still LED lit, so it's not gonna beat out a TV as far as picture quality goes, but it definitely looks good. Somebody's already died, and I don't have any guns to help them, but we're gonna go in here just for the video's sake. We're gonna go in here and find this guy. Let's see if we can. Oh, teammate got him. Alright, take his gun. Oh yeah, I got it. Took a scar. I hear a chest. You guys hear a chest? It's not in there. Might be in here. Nope. My teammate might have found it already. Wow, they tore this house apart. Everybody's just dying. What's going on, guys? What's going on? So I won't play through the whole thing of this. Guys, not really here to watch me play Fortnite, but it's something different on the channel. I haven't played a game on the channel in a long time. Oh, I see some enemies. Let's go fight. Let's not die on the way there. Alright. I don't have anything. I have a scar and a shotgun, and I hate pumps on this video game. So I don't know if I should wait for that drop to come down or if I should go. We're gonna go fight this guy just to make it quick. Hopefully I don't survive because I'm trying to get this video over with for you guys. But he's actually gonna get this cake. It's a perfect chance for me to sneak behind him. He's not looking at me. Let's see what we can do here. Oh. Got him down. He was waiting for the drop as well, so. Gotta kill, guys, gotta kill. And the drop is ours. And it's ours. What do we get? Oh, got another shield. Perfect, we'll hide behind this tree. Super responsive. Like as soon as I click the button, it's doing it on the screen, so it's great. I see another person. Let's see if we can get like a grenade. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Alright, that's one. I'm getting shot from other angles though. Let's kill him quick. Alright, got him. I'm getting shot from everywhere right now. This is so bad. Oh, this is not good. And we're down. There's 4 people around me. This is crazy, guys. And I'm done. BenQ el2870u. Welcome to the YouTube video. Just killed me on my own video. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Just wanted to show you guys how it plays, how it looks, and how it sounds. It's actually not too quiet. As long as there's nothing else really in your area making other noises. It's pretty good volume, pretty good, amazing response time, and amazing picture. I'm playing on the Xbox One X, so it's kind of appropriate to have an Xbox One X paired with a monitor because of how powerful the machine is and how good it looks and has all the HDR formats, things like that. So I'm super excited to get on this and play more games on it. I'll definitely play more Fortnite throughout the night, Call of Duty, other first-person shooters for sure, because this screen really thrives in first-person shooters. So I'm gonna play all sorts of games and maybe do a shorter follow-up video for guys who are really interested in this. But for those who are really into this home theater, think about getting into gaming. Get a projector. If you have a projector, get into gaming. It's awesome to game on a big screen. And if you have a smaller TV, it's good to have like an Xbox, things like that, as like your Blu-ray player or something like that, because you do have the option to play games, and it's something else to do on your home theater. Playing games on a home theater is absolutely amazing. Music and movies, of course, is amazing, but playing games like this and hearing the ambient effects, there is Dolby Atmos for video games. So to have that on your home theater system, imagine the immersion you would have. So I'm definitely both gamer, home theater, and music. So this is my forte, and just want to share for you guys the monitor. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. There will definitely be more. I do have some more cool, unique prizes coming on the channel very, very soon. I'm still working on getting my receiver. I'm that much closer to getting it. Getting my car fixed now, but once that's fixed, I will be definitely heading to Cincinnati to go ahead and get my receiver. That's the first thing I'm going to do, and of course I'm going to make a video on the way there and when I get it back into the system. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to stay tuned. Push that bell so you're notified first for more videos. And I'm going to go get revenge on Bacon Man. He killed me on my own video, so I'm going to get revenge on him. So I'll see you guys later. Kpaceguy out.